We're Lainey and Shawn. We're going to show you how to make an easy and healthy meal in the back of our Honda Element camper. This delicious dinner only took us 20 minutes to make. We use our tailgate as a cooking surface. We place our butane stove on a silicone mat to protect our car and place a couple pieces of wood underneath to level it. The butane easily connects, and then we assemble our prep kitchen.
Deciding what to cook for dinner is the most important part of dinner.
We're gonna do cotija with radish and the broccoli slaw. We got our grapeseed oil for cooking. Put a little bit of that in there.
We are going to cook the broccoli slaw for a few minutes in the grapeseed oil. Sometimes we add leafy greens or sun-dried tomatoes or carrots, whatever looks good at the grocery store. I add a dash of water to the pot to get a little steam going. This will speed up our cooking time. Time to wash and cut the radish, crumble our cotija cheese, and then add your favorite spices and salt and pepper. Za'atar blend.
Cheers.
Now that the vegetables are mostly cooked, it's time to add the beans. I always like scraping the bag to get all the goodie. It also keeps our trash from smelling.
These specific beans, they say like cook them in the water, so that's partially why I got these ones. Otherwise, you have to like wash them and drain them, and it just takes up way too much space and room and then trash.
So we have this is our trash can. It's really nice to have something small and sealable. And you dump it out whenever you need to.
It's rough measuring my couscous because it's a 1-to-1 ratio of couscous to water, and
1-to-1.
Yeah, it's a 1-to-1, and I just kind of eyeball it because it's okay if it's a little soupy. And these are the wrong sizes because we're using the other right size container.
They're the same circumference.
That's good. No, they're not.
Oh, it looks so good. Beans and stuff.
Beans and stuff. All done with that.
I got that.
It's so
So you
pretty.
put the beans in, and then you put in the stuff, and then you're done. That's how you cook.
Great thing about couscous is once the water boils, you dump in the couscous, you give it a quick stir, turn off the heat, it sits there and for about 5 minutes, maybe even less sometimes, and then you get to eat. So you burn less propane.
Way less.
Way
fuel.
less propane. And
Butane.
I'm sorry. You burn way less butane in our case since it's a butane stove. With any kind of fuel, you burn less fuel.
Now that the water is boiling, we add the couscous.
And the stove is off.
I think this one's going to be very soupy.
Because of the bean juice?
Yeah. My goal when we bought a pot that was packable was it had to have a lid because I knew we would be cooking couscous. So, achieved with this perfect pot. Link is in the description below.
Yeah, and it's deep enough to like cook stews and stuff. but like shallow enough to just be a regular frying pan.
Yeah. This may look a mess, but it's not. It's all organized. And then while it cooks, we just drink our vermouth and look at the sunset and enjoy. But wait, there's more. We got radish, crumbly cotija cheese,
And Shawn pepitas.
and some olive oil. I love black pepper, so
Yeah, give me
we'll
some.
crack a pepper.
Crack a pepper.
And then, voila.
And then you eat. And then I'll do the dishes after. And that's how you make dinner in a Honda Element. Bye. And say bye, chef.
Bon appetit.